Our nation is built on its diversity, and we honor the symbols and traditions who have made our country what it is today. In India, all the festivals are celebrated with so much excitement and energy. Diwali is among the most popular festivals in India. This festival signifies the universal goal of eliminating ignorance by pursuing knowledge and having a greater understanding of one's surroundings. Good morning to one and all present here. Wish you all a very happy and blessed Diwali. God, the light of lights, the self-luminous inner light of the self, ever shining steadily in the chamber of our heart. Stand quietly, everybody. Close your eyes, fix your mind on the supreme power and start prayer. After prayer, Diwali is an occasion to celebrate light over darkness. Light symbolizes knowledge and worship as the Lord Himself. Hence, we light the lamp to bow down to knowledge as the greatest of all forms of wealth. So first of all, I call upon our Chairman Sir and Principal Sir to light the lamp. Thank you very much, sir. With the lamp lightning, let's we all merge ourselves in the inner light of the self and enjoy the festival of lights. The presence of light means the non-existence of darkness and evil forces. Now I would like to call Pradyum from class 8 for today's thought. Afterthought of the day. Who doesn't love Diwali? The yummy sweets, new clothes, firecrackers. I think everybody loves this festival. But do we know the real significance of the festival? Though it is celebrated in many states by different religions like Hindus, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, I would like to invite Shreya from 8th standard to explain the different reasons to celebrate Diwali by different religions. Thank you, Shreya, for such knowledgeable informations. Now I would like to invite Deep from class 8 for a speech on Diwali. After speech, Diwali is one of the best known Hindu festivals. One of the major features of Diwali is the famous story of Lord Rama and his wife goddess Sita. I would like to invite on stage students of class 9th and 10th to tell the story of Shri Ram and Sita through a skit. After the play, Diwali, the festival of lights, hope and prosperity, it is the time to celebrate togetherness with oodles of happiness. There are some precautions for us on the do's and don'ts during Diwali. And for this, I would call Riddhima from class 8th. Good morning everyone, I am Riddhima from class 8. In the midst of the excitement, we must take a moment to know how we can celebrate the festival safely. Here are few tips. While lighting a cracker, maintain a safe distance between the cracker and yourself. Do not light the fireworks in an closed or crowded space. Ensure you light the fireworks in an open space. Do not light the crackers while holding it in your hand. Do not wear loose clothes. Use bucket of water and sand in case of any fire accident. Do not breathe the smoke of the firecrackers. Thank you, Riddhima, for sharing these useful tips with us. Every beginning has an end. I call upon Anku from class 9th to propose a vote of thanks. After vote of thanks, on this auspicious occasion of Diwali, I pray that God fulfills all our dreams, enlighten our understanding and hope we do our study well. May Lord Rama and Goddess Lakshmi bless us success this Diwali. Thank you. Have a nice day.